nandito pa rin ho kami sa Manila Hotel, saan po namin ginagawa ang aming District Assembly ng District 3780. At sa inyo pong mga nanonood, kami po ay maya-maya ay magpapakita at mag-interview kung sino po ang aming mga guest speaker at ang aming mga past district governor at ang aming governor currently ngayon.
At napakarami pong magagaling na speakers na magbibigay sa atin ng magagandang inspiration at wisdom para po sa ginaganap na DISTAS.
Leading the processional are the members of the host of the Rotary Club of Congressional. And First Class President, Chico Doctor.
Masayang ipinagdiwang ng Rotary International District 3780 ang kanilang DISTAS 2013 sa Manila Hotel noong naaraang Sabado. Pinangunahan ito ni Peace Governor Penny Policarpio at First Class Governor Francis Rivera.
Ano ang feeling na medyo malapit ka nang matapos sa iyong term tapos may papasok na ibang governor?
Masaya ang pakiramdam dahil maraming bagay na ang magagawa ko, no, sa labas ng Rotary. Ang taon na ito ay naging makabuluhan at makulugan sa akin. Ngunit gaya ng sinasabi natin sa Rotary, the best is yet to be. Kaya ang aking tungkulin ngayon ay siguraduhin na ang papalit sa atin, ang susunod nating governor ay mas maging matagumpay kaysa sa atin. No? It has been a very successful year, but every year must be even more successful than the last year. So tayo po ay tutulong ng malaki sa ating incoming governor na si Governor Francis.
Nagbigay naman ng isang inspirational message si past President Siva Anathan.
Rotary has a very simple message to the world, and that is every individual has a responsibility to the world. Every individual must work to help those who through no fault of theirs is unable to help themselves. That is our common purpose as human beings. Yeah, and that is for me, Rotary is one of the vehicles through which we can accomplish this mission. As Rotarians, our mission is to continue using our talents, continue using whatever God-given abilities we have to make the world a better place. We have to continue in this path of doing whatever we can, so long as we can, for whomever we can. That is, I think, absolutely essential. You became a Rotarian not so that you could indulge in fellowship and just meet friends. You became Rotarian because somewhere in you there is a light burning. There's a light burning in you that says, I want to do something to make this world better than when I found it when I was born. And so, capture that spirit and don't let all the small things distract you. Stay focused on the mission and keep doing whatever you can to help people in your community, because giving is much better than taking.
Ang tao ng pagtitipong ito ay tinatawag na DISTAS o District Assembly sa mahabang panahon hanggang sa taong ito. Ngunit sa susunod na Rotary Year ay tatawagin ng District Seminar.
So every year we have a District Assembly, which is really our training seminar. So ang ginawa ho ng ating Council on Legislation ay itinama lang yung katawagan. Yan. So hindi natin sa tatawaging assembly, ngunit training seminar. Okay.
Handang-handa na ang First Class Team for Rotary Year 2013 to 2014 na may temang Engage Rotary, Change Lives na pangungunahan ng First Class Team sa pamumuno ni First Class Governor Francis Rivera.
How prepared are you ngayon, Gob?
Alam mo, handang-handa na ako para sa termino ko bilang gobernador ng ating Rotary District sa pagdating ng July 1. No? In fact, siguro ang preparation namin nagsimula 2 years ago pa. No? Ibinilin sa amin ay tumulong kami sa pag-improve ng membership. Magkaroon tayo ng isang membership development program na kung saan yung mga Rotaryo natin ay ma-retain natin and at the same time maka-inspire tayo for others to join.
At this very early, we would like to congratulate you firstly for a very successful district assembly. And I know how you prepared and inspired your first-class president. So we know that it will be another successful year for you. So Gob, thank you very much and we wish you good luck.
My pleasure.
Congratulations,
Salamat
Gob.
din. Salamat din.
Happy people, serving people!